Hello, everyone. My name is Kelvin Nchuken, and I'm a Microsoft Certified Trainer, Microsoft Office Specialist. In my video 75, I would like to show you how you can create a dynamic chart without using pivot table, but using SUMIF and table to generate report. Now, what is the unique thing about this report? Now, let's take a look at the sample. Now, in this sample, you notice that I have a data for year 2023 all the way to December, but it's not true, just a test. Now, I have my report all the way to June now. If I go down here, if you look at the chart, it's January, February, March, April, May, June, because it's based on this data. But when I type here July, J-U-L, it will automatically populate the July. And now you see it's January to July. And the unique thing about this one is that they always take the 3 last month for my chart. So now it's May, June, July. If I continue and put August, you take a look at this. So if I put the AUG, enter, you notice now they'll take August, June, July, August. So it's always the last 3 months, and this is continue to grow. All right, so I'm going to do something about this, and I'm going to show you how you can build this. So the first thing that I have here is the set of data, the raw data that I have here. And I'm going to write a function here called SUMIF to get the data, right? So I put that equals to SUMIF. Right, so the range is based on the month. So I'm going to select the month. Right? Oops. Select that. Okay. So it says there C5 all the way to C369. And this time, I'm only going to log the alphabet C. Alphabet C, comma. And the criteria is January. So for this, I'm going to log only the H. And the sum range is going to be the product one, because I'm in my product one now. Hold it down. Okay, let me go up again. And this one, I will also log only the D. Yes. So I'm going to close the bracket. And so you see, I get my answer. And I'm going to make it comma style. So it's 2,125,000. So if I copy this over, I'll get all the answer. Okay, let me just check this one. See, it's still looking at, oh, okay, I'm not supposed to log only the D. Okay, so let's do this again. I come here. So I'm not supposed to log only the D. In fact, I will log only the 5. All right, so let me just copy this over. Yeah, that's the answer. And when I copy it down, so I'll get different range of answer. But this is not right. This is supposed to log all of them. So let me just do this again. Sorry about this. Range, I have to log all of them. And I'm just going to put it across, put it down. So that will get me the answer. Anyway, it shouldn't have a problem, because as it goes down, it will go to still look for February and so on, right? So now in my data, if I type April now, it does not bring out anything, right? So I'm not going to put the April first, but I'm going to turn this information into a table. So I'm just going to click table, right? Then okay, I will remove the formatting. There you go. So now, if I happen to add April, A-P-R-I-L, April, A-P-R, sorry, then it will give me the April data. Right? So this is the trick here. Now, I'm going to use this information now to convert that into a chart. So let me just add this a chart here. There you go. Now I have January, February, March, April. So I'm going to change the formatting to this. Oh, sorry, I think I chose the wrong one. This one. Yeah, this is the black color one that I have just now. So I have January, February, March, April. So if I add another May, M-A-Y, and there you go, the May appear. Right. So this is how I created it. So this is what we call the monthly sales report. Maybe I should call it year to month sales report. Means this is already from January to May, so year to month report. So whenever I got my latest month here, I say year to month is until May. All right, so this is my first report. So I hope you like this video. Now, in the next video, I will show you how to take only the first, sorry, not the first, but the last three data, March, April, May, and turn it into a chart. All right, just only the last three. I'm going to write another function here that help you do that. All right, so I hope you like this sharing. Okay, so please help me to like and share the video to as many people as you can find, and I hope they will benefit from this video as well. So I'll see you in the next video.